Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a bit more acrylic painting. I have got, from various projects ongoing at the moment, some paints that need to be used up. So I thought about doing this. It's a really cool technique, really simple, and again it's using cheap materials. This is just that from if it's gone up before this one, the easy pointillism style painting. This is just a cheap pad that I use mainly for backing paper for various other projects. But it's absolutely fine if you're just starting out and you want to just get trying different things and you don't want to have to blow a load of dough on expensive paper. This works absolutely fine. It's like about £1 for this. See, nothing special. 70 GSM, so literally nothing special. The paints were like less than £2. Palettes optional. And the brushes, they were, I think, again, like a couple of quid max. But you don't have to use these brushes. You can use any brush you've got to hand. And a marker. Again, doesn't have to be Sharpie or Bic in this case, just a permanent marker. So what I've done is I've just sketched out really lightly some flowers from my garden. And what we're going to do is we're just going to paint them fairly blockish in colour, not too much detail going on. And then when it's dry, we're going to go around and pick out some detail with the marker. And again, you haven't got the beauty in the end result of this is you don't have to follow line for line. You can be a bit mismarried. You can be a little bit off here and there. And it looks really cool. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We are going to get painting and you will see. Let's use some of this up. What I actually have in my garden. Well, a little bit of what I have in my garden anyway. I'm going to try my best. The only thing you want to try and do is make it obvious what's what. There's a lot of pink going on with these flowers I happen to have. And that's just to make it easier for you when you go back to go over it all. Then if you pick a different subject matter, you won't have to think about that. Okay, that's the picture that we're going to work with. So we're going to let that dry completely, and then when we come back, we're going to start lining it. Right, we're all dry. Now we're going to go for the finishing touches. And that is that. Let's just get this under paper out of the way. Come in for a finishing shot. And there we have it. A nice, simple acrylic paint in style with aid of a permanent marker. I went quite close to the lines. You don't have to. You can wibble all over the place. You can jar it slightly and it looks even better. But yeah, that's that. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's given you some ideas of things you can try yourself. And again, you don't have to do flowers. In fact, I've missed a line. It doesn't need to be there, but I want it to be there. There we go. It can be anything that you like. And the whole outlining adds quite a nice finishing touch to it, especially when it's slightly ajarred. You know, the lines don't always meet. There's flushes of white here or there. So yeah, it's nice and easy and straightforward. Anyone can give it a go, and it's another cheap acrylic project just to break into acrylics, to have a play with them. They're nice and bold, they're nice and bright. Even the cheap ones come out nice and bold and bright. If somewhat watery, but don't be deterred by that. Everyone's got to start somewhere. The more expensive they get, the glossier they tend to get, which is nice. The more vivid they are, which is also nice. But yeah, like I say, as a stepping stone, this is a good place to start. And you can even just do something as simple as a smiley face. In fact, that looked really cool in acrylics with a black outline. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me out. I hope, like I say, I do hope you've enjoyed this and it has given you some ideas and perhaps even just a little bit of confidence. Just give it a go. It's so relaxing to just sit there and paint. It doesn't have to come out perfect. Just enjoy it. So, if you'd like me to try any other styles or show you any other simple painting ideas, let me know in the comments. It might be something I haven't tried yet, and I'm happy to give it a go always myself. So, like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more and know when it's coming. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.